Conquering the Comma Splice by Georgia Acosta. An example of a comma splice can be seen in the following sentence. Abigail struggled with her homework, comma, her mother helped her, period. What makes this sentence a comma splice? Two independent clauses joined by a comma. In order to conquer the comma splice, it is important to be able to identify what an independent clause is. An independent clause has a subject and a verb. In the following sentence, in the first half of the sentence, Abigail struggled with her homework. The subject is Abigail. The verb is struggled. In the second half of the sentence, her mother helped her. Mother is the subject. Helped is the verb. Therefore, these are two independent clauses that have been joined together by a comma, creating the comma splice. There are 4 ways to correct the comma splice. You can add a conjunction after the comma, place a period between the two independent clauses, place a semicolon between the two independent clauses, or you can add an introductory clause at the beginning of the sentence. A comma splice corrected with adding a conjunction. You can remember the conjunctions with the following acronym fanboys. F for, A for and, N for nor, B for but, O for or, Y for yet, S for so. In the following sentence, so was the conjunction added after the comma to correct the comma splice. Abigail struggled with her homework, comma, so her mother helped her, period. The following sentence was corrected with adding the period. Abigail struggled with her homework, period. Her mother helped her. The comma splice can also be corrected with a semicolon. The semicolon was placed in between the two independent clauses. In the following sentence, Abigail struggled with her homework, semicolon, her mother helped her, period. The comma splice can also be corrected with an introductory clause being added. Common starter words for introductory clauses are after, although, as, because, if, since, when, and while. The following sentence was corrected with adding the introductory clause because, and the sentence now has been corrected from its comma splice. Because Abigail struggled with her homework, comma, her mother helped her, period. I hope you have found this tutorial on the comma splice helpful in your conquering the comma splice.